Good morning. I have a picture of a fern right here. Nothing particular fancy about the fern other than it's got a purple finch nest in it. And the cowbirds keep trying to lay eggs in it and I keep throwing them out. So I'm going to check the nest again this morning and see if we got some cowbird eggs. In case you all don't know how to check for cowbird eggs, this is how it's done. Here's our little nest, as you can see. And we have 2 cowbird eggs in there. Those little brown eggs are cowbirds. The white ones are the purple finches. So I just reach in here, real nice and simple like. And grab those 2 cowbird eggs. I'll show them to you. Those right there are cowbird eggs. And then I take the eggs and throw them out there for the possums. Because I enjoy watching purple finches. Now I just got 2 purple finch eggs in there. And that, my folks, is how you get rid of cowbird eggs.